Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is India Audia and I'm from Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji and from class 3 2025. So in this video I will explain about our module. Packed lecture and examiners allow me to explain briefly the teaching module that we have prepared. This module is a curriculum Merdeka teaching module for the English subject for grade 7 of junior high school. It is designed to support students in learning how to read simple English stories that are suitable for their level and familiar context. This module is a curriculum Merdeka teaching module for the English subject for grade 7 of junior high school. It is designed to support students in learning how to read simple English stories that are suitable for their level and familiar context. This module is intended for grade 7 students in PAS D with a total allocation of 4 meetings, equivalent to 8 lesson hours. The main focus of this module is reading story, which is divided into 2 learning units, namely Unit 1 is Brave Bird and Unit 2 The Brave Little Bird. The learning outcomes of this module focus on students' ability to read and listen to simple stories, identify the main ideas and important details, recognize new vocabulary, and understand as well as retell the moral values of the story. In addition, students are expected to be able to use the new vocabulary in simple sentences. The initial competition expect before the learning process are that students already have basic vocabulary knowledge and are able to identify moral values from a story. This module also supports the development of the Pancasila student profile, such as critical thinking, independence, creativity, cooperation, and good character. The learning module used in this module is face-to-face learning with a maximum of 13 students in one class. The main learning research are the book English for Nusantara and the Let's Read platform supported by learning media such as a laptop and LCD project. Teacher might also use alternative learning researches from the surrounding environment according to learning theme. The learning objective of this module are to enable students to read English text correctly, understand the meaning of vocabulary found in the text, and comprehend the content and moral message of the story as well. The learning activities begin with an opening activity, where the teacher greets the students, introduces themselves, build a comfortable classroom atmosphere, and explain the rules and objective of the lesson. Students are also invited to introduce themselves as part of the initial approach. In the core activity of Unit 1, Brave Bird, the teacher introduced key vocabulary from the story. Students are asked to read the story individually or in pairs and highlight new or unfamiliar words. They are guided to guess the meaning of the words based on the context, then check the meaning using a dictionary or the teacher explanation. After that, the teacher leads a discussion about the story and its moral values such as bravery, honesty, and responsibility. In Unit 2, the Brave Little Bird, the learning activities focus on deepening students' vocabulary and story comprehension. Students read the text carefully, write down new vocabulary, and connect the words to the character feelings, action, and conflict in the story. The teacher provides example of how to use the new vocabulary in simple sentence to strengthen students' understanding. In addition, this model is equipped with students' worksheet. Through this worksheet, students are asked to find new vocabulary, make stories, summarize, identify maritime elements, and participate in various activities and games such as searching, drawing, and writing simple English stories. At the end of the lesson, the teacher invites a student to reflect on their learning to identify their level of understanding. The assessment is conducted using a rubric that evaluates student comprehension, cooperation, presentation skill, and their ability to explain the story using their own words. Through this teaching module, it is expected that the English learning process, especially reading skills, can be more structured, engaging, and meaningful for students. That is a brief explanation of the teaching module. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.